Hello children, in this video you are going to see about reproduction in human being. So in the last video I have given brief introduction about reproduction in human being. Here this video you can see briefly about male reproductive system. Male reproductive system consists of following components. So first we can see the parts of male reproductive system. In male reproductive system there are one pair of testes, a system of ducts. There are three ducts in male reproductive system. They are epididymis, vas deferens or the sperm duct, urethra. Okay, so ducts present in the male reproductive system are epididymis, vas deferens or the sperm duct, urethra. Okay, so vas deferens is also known as sperm duct. Then a system of glands. There are three glands in the male reproductive system. They are seminal vesicles, prostate gland, then Cowper's gland. So seminal vesicles, prostate gland, Cowper's gland. Okay, so there are three system of ducts. They are epididymis, vas deferens, urethra, then glands, seminal vesicles, prostate gland, Cowper's gland. So here you can see the structure of male reproductive system. So I have told that there is a pair of testes, scrotum, vas deferens, epididymis. You can see here sperm duct, and this last part is penis. So the copulatory organ, it is called as penis. One pair of testes are present in a bag-like structure called scrotum. So testis is present in a bag-like structure which is called the scrotum, which lies outside the abdominal cavity. So here you can see in the picture this testis which is present in the bag-like structure which is called the scrotum, which is present outside the abdominal cavity. Hence they are extra-abdominal in position because testes have to be maintained at lesser temperature, that is 1 to 3 degrees centigrade than the body, in order to produce functional sperms. Because the sperms cannot survive at higher temperature, so that the testes have to be maintained at the lesser temperature, that is 1 to 3 degree less than the body temperature, to produce functional sperms. Now we can see functions of reproductive organs in male. Functions of testes. So what is the function of testes? To produce male gametes, that is sperms. Okay, you know what is the male gamete? Sperm. Yes, so testes will produce male gamete called sperms. To produce sperms, a male reproductive hormone called testosterone is responsible for producing sperms as well as secondary sexual characteristics in males. So in male we can observe sexual characters, secondary sexual characters, and sperm, that is male gamete, is produced by male reproductive hormone called testosterone. Attached to each testis is a highly coiled tube called epidermis. Okay, so there is a each testis is attached with a highly coiled tube called epidermis. What is the function of epidermis? Sperms are stored here and they mature in the epidermis. So what will happen? Sperms will be stored in the epidermis and where they will get matured. Each epidermis leads into the sperm duct or the vas deferens. So epidermis is connected with the sperm duct or the vas deferens. Each vas deferens rises up and enters into the abdominal cavity. So this vas deferens will be connected with the abdominal cavity. It unites with the another duct which is coming from the urinary bladder, that is which forms a common duct called urethra, which passes through the penis and opens to the outside. Okay, so from the vas deferens it is united with the common duct called urethra, which opens to the outside. So along the way, the ducts of 3 glands also open and pour their secretion into the vas deferens. So vas deferens will open into the common passage, that is urethra, which is passed through the penis and opens to the outside. So the duct of the 3 glands also open and pour their secretion in the vas deferens. So from the vas deferens it will pass to the urethra and then to the penis. Function of vas deferens. It is meant for the passage of the sperms in the male body. So what is the function of vas deferens? It is acting as a way for passing the sperms in the male body. Functions of the glands. So you know there is 3 glands as proximal gland, prostate gland. We have seen 3 glands. Seminal vesicles, prostate gland, Coffer's gland as seminal vesicle, prostate gland, Coffer's gland. So these glands, about function of these glands we will study now. They produce different secretions which provide nutrition as well as medium for locomotion to the sperms. Okay, so what is the function of the 3 glands? They will produce different secretions which provide nutrition as well as medium for the locomotion to the sperms. For the movement of the sperms, it acts as a medium and it also provides nutrition to the sperms. The secretions of the 3 glands along with the sperm is known as semen. Okay, so the secretion of the 3 glands along with the sperm is known as semen. Now, what is the function of the urethra? You know, urethra is the duct, so it is the common passage for both semen and urine from the body to the outside. So we know the excretory waste will be eliminated from our body through the passage called urethra. So through the urethra only the semen also produced outside from the male reproductive system. Then what is the function of penis? It is the organ which is used to introduce semen into the female body. Okay, so through the penis there is the introduction of semen into the female body. So this penis is richly supplied with blood vessels. Okay, so this is richly supplied with blood vessels which will introduce the semen into the female body. I hope that you all understand about male reproductive system. Subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you, children.